Hello again, welcome to today's attempt at the Polygonle puzzle. I'm trying to guess a word and where the shape at the top is repeated, the letter is repeated. So those could all be E's. Maybe it's more likely that they're S's actually. Let's put E's in there because SES feels like a common ending to a word. It can't be resources because we don't quite have enough letters in the middle, and that would be CES anyway. So what could it be instead? We're gonna need another vowel, aren't we? This is a little bit more difficult than I was hoping. I thought at least I might be able to get a word out. Could be DE. I think RE is a much more common start to a word though, isn't it? I do like the idea of having all those S's there, but it may well not be correct. It could be D's everywhere. It could be Oh, I still don't know what this word is. I feel like I might be close, at least to thinking of something that works. But what are these two letters? That could be I want to try redundant, but that's clearly not a word. Refunded would be, but we need this letter to be the same as the two at the end. How about if it was repeated R's everywhere? No, I feel like that looks a lot less promising. Right. Rescuses almost is a word. I'm just going to try excuses. Oh no, that's not even spelled remotely correct, is it? I've got a phantom S in here. Okay, so I am going to try a word that I know can't be correct because I just can't think of something that works. I need to try the R, the E and the D in this word. Let's just try reshaped. It tries so many useful letters. Okay, so we do have duplicated E's, but they're not in those positions, which means they have to be in those three positions. Oh, it's going to be something like preserve, isn't it? Or maybe not, because if it is an ERE ending, we don't have room for an F, so it can't be preserve. Can it be anything else along those lines? What could be this ending? That's what I'm struggling with. Compete has an ETE ending. What other endings to words are there? E and E? But we still have to use the P and the R somewhere. That's what makes me think that this has to be the R. But I don't know what these two middle letters could be. Oh, premiere. That's a French word, isn't it? That's why I couldn't think of it, because it's a French ending to a word. That's my excuse. It's a terrible excuse, but it's my excuse nonetheless. So we got there in two. Very slow, but not many guesses. So it's a bit of a compromise today. That's Polygonle in 2. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.